The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. If you're interested in finding out more about it or enrolling, click the link below. Roll it over all the tools necessary to make patterns. And in fact, speaking of tools, let's start with the tools needed to draft a pattern or patterns. So we'll start with scissors, and there's two kinds of scissors that you should get. I'm going to be very professional about this, and if you were in the industry or looking forward to going into the industry, you will need two kinds of scissors. This one is used to cut paper. When I say paper, there's two kinds of paper. There's manila paper, which is it's not really cardboard, but it's sort of stock paper. And then there's also dotted paper, sort of more of a lightweight dotted paper. So if you were cutting paper, you would use these scissors. Otherwise, just a regular, normal pair of scissors for fabric. And in this course, we'll use a fabric called muslin to drape patterns. You will need a pencil, very sharp pencil, and a ruler, an 18-inch clear. This bends, you can see it, it's flexible, 2-inch by 18-inch clear ruler. You will need pins, regular pins, not safety pins. These are just straight pins, okay? You will need a French curve. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna hold it against a darker background. This is a French curve. Okay, it has a certain shape to it. See that? You will need a hip curve. It has a certain shape. This is a hip curve. You will need a tracing wheel. Tracing wheel. There's different variations, but they're all pretty much the same. There's a little wheel that turns with little teeth at the end. You will need an awl, A-W-L, spelled A-W-L. A notcher. This is a notcher, and it makes, you can hear the clicking, it makes notches. Scotch tape, good old Scotch tape, and stapler. And along with stapler is a staple remover to remove staples, okay? These are the most important tools necessary. There's a few more things, but these are the essential tools needed to draft patterns, okay? In the next class, we'll start with principles and techniques on pattern drafting, and we'll get going. So, I'll see you. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.